NARS is outgrowth of Remote Sensing Center established in 1971 under the Academy of Scientific Research and Technology. In 1994, it was a decree to establish NARS as an organization under the Ministry of Higher Education and Scientific Research. NAFCOAST project, one of the most implemented projects in North Africa. It studies the observation of the coast, studies the desertification of the area, studies the development.
NAFCOAST project is a partnership between 4 countries in Northern Africa: Egypt, Tunisia, Morocco, Mauritania, in addition to a regional organization named Center for Environment and Development for Arabi Region and Europe. It is funded from the European Commission, the African Union Commission, GEMES and Africa Program.
Les produits que nous allons donc générer dans le cadre de ce projet concernent plus particulièrement la gestion de l'environnement marin à travers la production et la mise en place d'un certain nombre de services.
Donc ces moyens sont d'une part en charge de suivi et le contrôle de la qualité de l'eau de mer et la surveillance de la pollution marine, des déchets et des rejets en mer. D'autre part, la pêche et l'aquaculture par la localisation des zones de pêche potentielles.
NAFCOAST project is first in a series of projects that will be implemented in Africa for the GEMES and Africa, which is extension of Copernicus in Europe. Copernicus, formerly known as the GEMES of Europe. NAFCOAST aiming at leveraging the Earth observation capacity in Northern Africa and using remotely sensed data for coastal and marine applications.
We are using the European Space Agency satellite data, which is Sentinel-1 and Sentinel-2, referring to radar and multispectral data. The service is near real time. We detect any incident and inform the environmental agency, can take the appropriate action, and we help them in identifying the source of pollution.
Le service OSM ou bien Oil Spill Mapping consiste à cartographier les zones de déversement des hydrocarbures au large de la zone économique marocaine du côté atlantique.
BFZ is to map up areas potentially important for fishing along the African North Coast, Mediterranean Sea and the Atlantic Ocean by using Earth observation data such as the European satellite sensor, Sentinel-3, as well as MODIS data.
Le service PFZ ou bien Potential Fishing Zone consiste à produire des cartes des zones à fort potentiel halieutique. Notre étude sera focalisée sur la sardine, étant donné que le Maroc est à la fois le premier producteur et exportateur à l'échelle mondiale, en assurant une production de plus de 70%. Il est considéré depuis longtemps comme un leader en sardinerie et conserve, notamment le port de Safi a été depuis longtemps un port dédié exclusivement à ce genre d'industrie.
Actually, one of the main objectives of NAFCOAST project is to provide services and also to disseminate these services through the outreach. Through a series of training workshops to disseminate the function of Earth observation application in the coastal and marine environment. At the beginning of the project, we managed to have a workshop disseminated here at NARS premises. This was on remote sensing and image processing. The last period, and due to the COVID-19 problem, we have the challenge to change our plan a bit. So we succeeded to have this training workshops online. We offered like 5 series of workshops.
Nothing is more important to success of a project than effective communication. Different channels and tools are used to communicate with the stakeholders, such as communication materials, flyer, posters, brochure, social media, Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, and regular media like related TV programs and public newsletters.
احنا خلال الفترة اللي فاتت احنا تعاوننا طبعا من خلال المشروع، وكان عمل لنا اضافة كبيرة جدا في خلال رصد التلوث اللي موجود عندنا بسبب الاقمار الصناعية. في الفترة اللي فاتت احنا كان عندنا مشاكل بخصوص حوادث تلوث كانت غير معلومة المصدر من خلال السفن اللي بتعبر القناة عندنا او اماكن في البحر المفتوح، وابتدينا فعلا من خلال صور الاقمار الصناعية قدرنا نعرف السورس دون عشان نبتدي ناخد معاه الاجراءات القانونية بتاعتنا. وفي الفعل في اكتر من حالة ابتدينا نتعامل معاها، وكان ليها يعني نقطة إيجابية بالنسبة لنا إن إحنا قدرنا نعرف المصدر من خلال صور الأقمار الصناعية.
We try to develop now a mobile app that distributes this information to the local fishermen just to get the information about when to catch fish or fishing and at what time and where, and even to support them with the weather forecasts that make them safe.
We have been very lucky to work on this project with NORS and their stakeholders in this project. We have developed 3 components. We have developed the portal, we have developed some desktop work, and we also have developed some mobile applications. Portal is very important in sharing and dissemination of information between partners. Partners can share and exchange data freely, and they can also load their data. In the portal there is also a section for the news and the case studies and a lot of variable information that is available for the public and for the stakeholders.
The project is a combination and showing how much Egypt is leading the region in Earth observation in remote sensing and space technology. I thank the European Commission, the African Union Commission, and the GEMIS and Africa program for their fund and support to this project and a similar project in Africa to ensure the higher value of information for socio-economic development and sustainable development for the Africa we want.